Hi, today we're going to talk about median. Just a little bit ago we talked about mean in the previous video, and we had these values were the amount of money that teenagers earned in a month, various teenagers. And so we're going to find we found the mean of it, and we'll revisit that here in a second, but we're going to find the median. The median means the one in the middle. But before we can find the one in the middle, the value in the middle, we have to order them from least to greatest. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I'm going to put these in order from least to greatest. And I kind of cross them out as I go so that I know I use them. And even then, once in a while, I'll forget one and I have to go back and add it in. So you just have to kind of be careful with that. One way I check myself is that if I know I have so many values to start with, like for example, I know there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I do. So I have all of the pieces that I need. So they're in order from least to greatest: 200, 250, 275, 310, 320, 350, and 750. We have this outlier, this really large number compared to the others, and that affected our mean when we looked at it. But when we look for the median, we're finding the middle number. And I just count in. Some students know that there's 7, so if they divide by 2, that's 3.5, so they'll count over 1, 2, 3, and the half one, 1, 2, 3, and the half one here. Either way, we should come up to the middle number of being 310. Okay, there's 3 on this side, 3 on this side. So my median is $310. The mean that we came up with was $350.71 approximately, and we said if we had to determine which one better represents the data, this one is really large because of this outlier when we add it in. So a better representation of what the measure of center of what the data represents would be our median. It's a little bit closer to our values, more typical of our values than the 350. There's only one 350, whereas there's several that are closer to the 310. The other one we want to look at is this one, the number of pets that various people have. Again, we're going to find our median, and so we have Joe, Laura, Cody, Ella, Sam, and Maria. So the first thing I have to do is put them in order. I've got a 1, a 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I do have to make sure that I list both of them. We want to make sure that we have both of them to where they represent both people. Okay. So this time when I count into the middle, 1, 2, 3, I have 2 numbers in the middle. I can't call both of them that. Now in this case they're both the same, but we have to find what's in the middle. Well, 3 and 3, there's nothing in the middle of 3. Or the other way we could do it is take 3 plus 3, which is 6, and divide it by 2, which is back at 3. So my median is going to be 3, because that's right in between 3 and 3. Okay? So my median is 3. If we go back, our mean was also 3 when we added them and all and divided by 6. So in this case, the mean and the median, our measures of center, equally can both describe our data because they're so much the same. So it doesn't matter which one we choose to describe our data. Hope this helps. That's all for now.